So again, that's a 12-inch by 24-inch gallery wrapped canvas, and the most vague outline of a dragon ever put down in chalk on it. And I am going to just do some strange things, hopefully without any additional hair attached. And I'm going to probably use my little swipe tool. I want a bunch of gold. And orange. And it has to be kind of abstract. And I didn't put my black down first, which I meant to. And we'll see what happens. Because I don't have a clue. That is a hot orchid from Color Art, which I would like to see everywhere. There is a new color shifting paint, but I messed with it. So this is the dragon, but it has some other things in it, like unicorn spit and stuff that doesn't really belong there. I was attempting a very poor attempt to reproduce Mysterious. And I'm hoping that I can come up with something interesting. And I'm kind of focused, so I apologize for that. I'm hoping I have enough paint. I'm not sure I like my colors yet. I think whatever else I add should wait. I'm going to add some of this purple neon from Folk Art that I add. Wow, iridescent pearl fine too. I want some Venetian blue, and I forgot about that. And where I put Venetian blue, I usually like a little electric blue too. I think that is going to make me happy right there. But I don't know. We'll see. I've got a little tool on a stick. Oh, I've got one with a grate on it. I've got several. This is the first one, and that's my favorite. I've got a little bit of Amsterdam black. I think I might want a whole bunch of gold in there, and I forgot to put it in there. So here goes nothing. This is going to be sort of like smearing, only with a tiny little tool. And I didn't go back and dip anything. I'm much better at accidental art when it's an accident. And I have a couple of smaller pieces. I guess if I put some eyes in there, it'll probably be okay. It looks pretty clumsy to me right now. It's not as good as the accidental one, that's for sure. Matter of fact, I got troubles with this. I've done this before, and I'm going to do it again. I have a fairly large swipe card here somewhere. There we go. And I want more white. I'm having a weird couple of days where my zone is a little bit missing, but I'm trying to work through it. It's not coming easily. But I do love my new little tool, and it will help me, hopefully, make a silk purse out of a sow's ear or a rogue dragon. Probably would have been better off with smearing. I do have some nice cells. And I am trying to learn how to use this tool. And there is some practice involved with getting good at anything. I just kind of wish it wasn't on a huge canvas. All right, there's a start there for sure. Not sure about anything right at the moment. Definitely thinking about some black in there, which might or might not be a good idea. Oh, there's a drip. I'm definitely not happy at all. I don't think anyone's ever going to see this unless some miracle happens. And they do happen occasionally. I think it would have a lot to do with pink at this point. What is that? Something large. Something I need my tweezers to remove. Maybe not. If in doubt, swipe it out is not the answer right now. But it could become the answer at any moment, as long as I have enough time to figure something out. be the perfect time for some balloon rolls. Maybe I'll do that. Grab a balloon. Do something I've been thinking about for a while. Put 3 different colors in here. 3 different colors of blue. Or, let's see, 2 blues and a purple. That sounds good. Now we got some other colors in here. I am going to have to wipe that off. Ah! Yeah, nervous laugh. That's a little better. Let's put some of that turquoise down. Let's just put some in. Let's just play because we can. That is the name of my first book on the Amazon link. This is getting a little better. My zone, it disappeared on me. What I really want to try is this black pen. I think it's a Deco Art pen tip. Got my balloon in the... Come out. You were out a moment ago. Okay, it's not coming out. So I'll just keep squeezing till it either clears the tip or I put a bunch of dots in. I suspect they'll probably dendrite out. So things are beginning to sell up, which is kind of cool from using the airbrush. I do kind of want to keep swiping. But I'm pretty sure it would turn to muck. It may not keep me from going there. I wonder if the black will sink or if it will hang out on the surface. Somebody's enjoying watching me struggle, I'm sure of it. Because lots of times you always tell me I make it look so easy. Well, this was not easy. There, I got some lines. They're not helping. I got 2 minutes left. Well, if you like it, I'm sorry. It's gonna get a treatment right now. And it may or may not work, which means people may or may not ever see this. Oh, that's got, no hairs allowed. Maybe I'll leave what's in the background. I still need a scrape dish. shouldn't wipe anything off. I should put it all on the edges. Like that. I like what's left behind. I'm really happy with that. This is bizarre. Okay. Pulled out in the last second. I've done this before. There it is. It's a beauty. Oh my gosh. All that moaning. And I really like what I've got. And I'm going to use my new little tool. So I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. This is for sale. And that was quite the bizarre transformation. But there's a reason why I wrote my second book and called it Unlimited Possibilities. Right next to my first book on the Amazon link. I might want some more color around my edge, but otherwise I'm just going to torch this and call it good. So it's definitely not a dragon anymore, but it's very pretty as far as I'm concerned. And the Amsterdam Black recipe with the pre-stained wood conditioner is in the description underneath Show More, underneath the video. A torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, also to release patterns. I love you guys. Check out over 1,900 videos organized by playlists by 100, and you can find those by looking for all playlists, created playlists. I may take whatever paint I find, wherever, and put it around the edge to make something matchy-matchy a little bit. Although that might be a less good idea than I think. So, if you're looking for the monthly drawing, you can find out what the prizes are for that drawing on the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. It's, like I said, an exhibition video. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on my link tree. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, on the link tree. If you're looking to shoppixels.com or Fine Art America, they're on the link tree. I'm happy with this. I'm sort of weirded out by the fact that it went the way it did, but I'm happy with it. And I won't be doing a dragon that way again. Bye for now. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted, and thank you very much for the donations that keep me painting. PayPal and Patreon icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the links are also on the link tree. You'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing if you want to be, if you make a donation. Please like, give me a thumbs up, share, watch longer, and maybe even watch some commercials. They are all big assistances. The longer you watch, the better off I am. It's the most helpful thing you can possibly do. Look on my community board for tomorrow's video. Ask me questions if you want to. And know that my paint pouring recipe is below Show More underneath the video, along with my email address, should you have an interest in purchasing an artwork or requesting information about a class, a private class, one-on-one with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys. I think I said that. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida with some tremendous cells. I should zoom in. That's all about the magic of the pre-stained wood conditioner in the Amsterdam Black. Probably didn't hurt that there was a little bit of Meeden paint.